So let's see first if I have a camera. Let's see. Somewhere here. Okay, in this video, people, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take this one, okay, and the other one too. It's over there. You cannot see it now, but you will see. Let's see. So you see there, you see? Just crack it. So I need to repair this, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do it, and then. But this one actually has a crack in here, you see? It goes way deep down and it's a tricky spot. So I'm gonna show it to how I managed to repair this. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. Okay. So this is how it looks. Okay, so let's clean it up and be done with this. So voila, people, the end result. Let's see, let's try to show it close by. Okay, so that's been welded through and through. Let's show it. There you go. That is, sorry for the shaking, but it's difficult to hold the camera like this, but yeah. Okay, this side, and now this side you can see there. Okay. So voila, and I measured this distance. This one, that's 3.5 millimeters, if I'm not wrong now. And 3.5. Oh wait. See, so voila, good to go. So this is done now. Now the client asked me to put those two, so let's put this one in the oven and be done with it. So yeah, in the oven, 250 degrees, let it sit for at least 20 minutes and then pull them out and voila, then this job is done. So let's jump, let's do that and then jump with the other one. So let's go. So there we go. This is the other one. Okay, you can see has a crack here, pretty big one. You can see here, you can see it over there. And you think like, okay, how you gonna do this? So I'm gonna just burst this one out. So I'm gonna crack it thoroughly. Take all this helicoil is inside, take it out, clean all this really well, and then I start to build up material, closing this hole. And then, yeah, then my job will be done. It's easy to say, but it's not that easy to weld it. So I was checking too, like, I think I can make it with this head, this one, but I have a thinner one, especially for those tiny jobs. But let's see. I think I can manage, and otherwise I will need to change it. So yeah, let's go. Are you ready for it? Because it's from a little crack, now it's a big thing. So let's see. So there you go. Okay, that far I needed to go, so I'm able to have a good material. And still, you can see in the bottom, with my tools I cannot reach it, but there is still some dirtiness, and that little dirtiness I really need to clean it up. So yeah, but you can see the difference. That's what I took off. Okay, this goes here like this somewhere, but you can see it was pretty far away now. So yeah, and this was in the bottom, so I think that's why this one it cracked, because this is silicone gasket, and for sure they press it in, you know, the bolt, without cleaning the hole, and crack it. So that's all. Okay. So that wasn't easy, but like always I managed. Let's show it. So let's see. Two. There we go. Okay, so you can see. Okay, this is really close up, but you can see just right there. That's where I started. Okay, it's not a crack or something, it's just over material. I actually make it a little bit thicker than the original. So let's try to show it. You see, it's actually taken a little bit more. I put a little bit more material. You can see there, here is over and here is over, so if you put it like this, it's thicker. Okay, so the machinist has a little bit more place to work, because those not always fit perfectly. Sometimes they are like this or like this, or you know. So yeah, that's it. That's all for this cylinder head. Yeah, now the main thing for this one would be that actually after the machining process they send it, sandblasted, and then it will be as good as new. You will not see that it has been welded. So yeah, so voila, another job done. I think because it's already more than half an hour, and that cylinder is still in the oven. I put the timer on, so it should be done already. So let's pull those guide welds out and be done with all this. So yeah, voila. So there you go, people. That's all for this video. Okay, it's a short one, but yeah, remember, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. So yeah, if you like to help the channel, remember you can do so by buy me a coffee, okay, or through super thanks below this video. And yeah, I hope you like it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.